Hello friend, in this video I will discuss walk, path and circuit, a concept of graph theory. So first we will discuss a walk. So what is the definition of walk? A walk is defined as a finite alternating sequence of vertices and edges, beginning and ending with a vertex. No edge appears more than one in a walk, but a vertex may appear more than one. It means you can include a vertex, same vertex more than one time, but you cannot include the edges more than one time that. So that is called a definition of a walk. It is the sequence of vertices and edges with beginning and ending with a vertex. Length of the walk is the number of edges included in it, and the walk is a close if the first vertex and last vertex are the same. So let us consider this graph and let us derive the walk. So here it is a 5 vertex graph in that, and there are 8 edges included in this graph, and let us create a walk. What you have to consider in walk? It is a finite alternating sequence of vertices and edges with beginning and ending with a vertex. So what will be the smallest walk? That is the A even B, that is the smallest walk which include the two vertices only. A even B, that is the smallest walk here. Now include a more vertices, more edges that. So the walk will be the A even B, E2C, E3D and E4E in this graph. A even B, E2C, then after E3D, E4E. So that is the one walk from A to E, which include this way A1B, E2C, E3D, E4E. So it is one walk, and you can observe that uh, beginning and ending with one vertex here, and no any edge appears more than one in a walk. So it is one walk here. And now the second example, AE8E, that is one loop here at the vertex E. So EE8E, then after E4D, that is E4D here, E6B in this way, E6B, and then after E1A. So it is one walk here where you can check that the vertex appear more than one. So it is possible in a walk. So it is also walk, but the third one, A1B, E5E, A1B, E5E, then after E8E, E7A, then again A1B, and E2C. So you can check that here the edge E1 is repeated more than one time. So it is not possible in a walk. So therefore the third one is not a walk. And here this example, it is called close walk because ending and starting are a same vertex here. So it is called a close walk. And here you can say that first and second it is called a open walk. So that is a close walk A1B, E2C, E3D, E4E and E7A. So it is one close walk where beginning and ending with a one vertex. So it is the definition of walk in its example. And now let us discuss a path. So what is meaning of path? Open walk in which no vertex appear more than one. It is called a path. So what is the definition of walk? Where you can include a vertex more than one time. But right now we cannot include more than one time in a path. So first it should be the open walk in which no vertex appear more than one. It is called a path. The number of edges in a path is called the length of the path, and we can include a self loop in a walk, but we cannot include in a path. If we include in a path, the vertex will repeat at that. So therefore we cannot include a self loop to create any path from the graph. So let us consider the same graph here, and in this graph we have to create a path that which should be the open walk and no any vertex repeated more than one time. So consider here A1B, E2C, then after E3D, E4E. So it is one path where you can check that is open walk A to E, that is no any vertex repeated here and no any edge repeated in this form. So completely it is a walk, but it is also open walk and no any vertex repeated there. So we can say it is a path. And you can consider more example from this graph here. It is a B E2C, E3D, it is also one path here. You can check that D, E4C, D, E4E, then E5B, E1A, that is also one path here. You can create more path from this graph here. But E8E, E4D, E6B, E1A, that is not called a path here. Why it is not a path? Because the vertex E is repeated here. So that is not called a path. And similarly, A, E1B, E2C, E3D, E6B, A, E1B, that is this way, A, E1B, E2C, and then after E3D, and E6B, E6B. So again you have to reach to the B here, and here B is repeated, so therefore it is not called a path. So that is a definition of path and its example. And now let us discuss the circuit. So it is a closed walk in which no vertex except initial and final vertex appears more than one. So right now it is a closed walk here where no any vertex repeated more than one time. Path is an open walk where no any vertex repeated more than one time, and circuit means it is a closed walk where no any vertex repeated more than one time except initial vertex and the last vertex, the final vertex. So let us consider this graph, and now we have to create a circuit. So what is meaning of that? We have to create one closed walk which include uh, no any vertex repeated more than one time. So A1B, E5E, and E7A, that this first triangle, that is called a circuit here. A1B, E5E, E7A. And you can check that first vertex and last vertex are same, and no any vertex repeated in between A to A. And second, you can take here B is 6D, B is 6D, then E4E and E5B. That is also one circuit here. And you can also consider this boundary A1B, E2C, E3D, E4E, E7A. That is also one a circuit. A circuit is also called a cycle. The second name for that, it is also known as a cycle. So it is a topic of walk, path and circuit. So thank you watching for this video.